Hey guys, Tony here. Good morning. So I think my next official micro cap for crypto is gonna be MONSTA or MONSTA Infinite. The ticker symbol is MONI. I actually really like just the company itself. I think it's a. I don't think it's a competitor to Axie Infinity. I don't exactly know what they actually do as far as the game. But I've been hearing a lot of really good things, and I think for this one, I'm really just going to be holding long term. Even if it does hit $4, I am expecting it to hit $4. But even if it does, I don't even think I'm going to sell anything. I think for the most part, I'm probably going to be looking at buying more if we do end up going back to like $1.80, a dollar, whatever. I'll probably buy more. I do think this has potential to really, really rally, like to $1 billion valuation eventually, right? To a market cap, which would be like a 35x from here. So I'm gonna be putting at least another K into this, holding for quite a while, and just kind of seeing what happens. But if it does end up hitting like $8, maybe, which would give it a market cap of what, um, $4 would be 50 million USD. There you go. You can see that pop right there. But yeah, I think at $4 it's 50 million, and then at $8 it would be 100 million market cap. So I think if it hits $8 at 100 million market cap, I might sell. I might sell maybe like a grand or two of this, and then put it into something else. But I think for this one, it's just a very good long term hold, honestly. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye bye.